enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes. Also, click on the notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a new recipe on this channel.
Hello, Namaste.
Festival of Lights or Diwali is coming up, and we will very soon have guests pouring in to meet and greet this festive season. So this time, let's make a healthier version of dahi vada for your guests. Please note the ingredients needed to make non-fried dahi vada. List is also given in description below. First of all, take dehusked black gram or urad dal and dehusked green gram or moong dal. Wash and soak them in sufficient water for about 6 hours, after which they are well and soft. Drain out the water and put them in a mixie or a blender jar with a little piece of ginger and 3 tablespoons of water, and make a nice semi-coarse thick paste out of these lentils. Very little amount of water was used here, so it is thick. Pour this batter in a bigger container. To this batter, add in finely chopped cilantro, about 1 teaspoon salt, a quarter teaspoon of asafoetida, and mix nicely. Remember to mix or beat this batter only in one direction to provide proper aeration. Do this for about 2 minutes so that the batter is nice and fluffy. To check the batter is ready to be fried, put it in a cup of water, and you see the batter floats on the surface of water, means it is nice and airy. I have got this stuffed pancake pan. Some people call it paniyaram pan or appe pan. I will use this today to make these non-fried dahi vadas. Heat this pan on medium heat. Put 1 drop of oil in each mold and very gently pour in 1 teaspoonful of this dahi vada batter in each mold. Let these vadas get cooked for 2 to 3 minutes, after which 1 more drop of oil on the top of these vadas and flip them over. So first side is already crisp. Now cover this pan and let them get cooked for another 2 to 3 minutes on medium or medium-low heat. Meanwhile, boil some water with half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of asafoetida. Now let's check our vadas are nice and cooked. You can even prick with a fork and check if they are cooked from within. When done, put them in hot salty water. Similarly, fry all the vadas and keep putting them in hot water. We are just halfway done, but still, let me show you how soft and spongy they are. Let these vadas soak in this salty water for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, they are cool also and soaked well. Now squeeze out the water of these vadas. Be careful, do not squeeze out all the water of these vadas, else they would turn out hard and they might break as well. Put all of these squeezed vadas in a bigger and a deeper serving tray. Now take yogurt. I have Greek yogurt 2 cups, to which I am adding a quarter cup of sugar, about a quarter cup of water. Mix well and divide this yogurt into 2 portions. 1 portion will be used for serving and 1 portion for dunking in the vadas. So for dunking the vadas, add little more water to this yogurt and mix well. So this is liquidy like this, quite thinner consistency of yogurt for dunking the vadas. Make this of thinner consistency so that the vadas absorb well and you get a nice delicious taste when you eat it later. Now let these varas soak in for another 30 minutes. For plating the varas, you would need this tamarind sauce or imli ki chutney. Check out the recipe up here. So take out these varas, few on a plate, very gently because they are soft and you might break them. On the top of these varas, some thickened sweet yogurt that we reserved for serving, as much as you like. On the top, tamarind sauce to your liking, more or less. On the top, roasted cumin seed powder. Simply dry roast cumin seeds and make a fine powder. Also, some red chili powder. This is again to your taste. Some people even like to sprinkle a bit of chaat masala over. Now these varas, so soft, juicy and delicious, with only 2 drops of oil in each vara. Enjoy these any day, anytime. Eat less or eat more, but I'm sure you would want to have a plate full of these delicious light dahi varas. So this Diwali, make these healthier version of dahi varas and serve it to your family and friends. Thanks for watching.